Lakshya and welcome back to my channel. This is the third video of the Diwali DIY series and I've thought of making a paper garland for decoration. So let's see how to make it. Come on. We need crepe paper, any two colors of your choice. I've taken white and pink. Scissor, needle and a thread, tape, paper tape and newspaper. Now let's start. First, let's fold the paper and then fold it again to make it like this. Use a scissor, cut small strips of this paper. Now open these strips. Fold it back and forth. Using a needle and a thread, pull through the ribbon and now repeat this process with each of the ribbons. Now it's done. Now let's make the lotus bud. First take a newspaper and shape it like a lotus bud. Now tape it. Now tape the entire bud. Taking the pink crepe paper to make the lotus petals. Now let's fold the paper as before and cut a small piece of paper. Now trace the shape of a petal and now cut it. Forgot to mention the glue. With the help of glue, we will paste the petals on the bud. We have painted it earlier. Make a knot in the end. Now it's ready to make this at home and decorate your home on Diwali. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.